Artificial intelligence, AI, has changed the face of marketing in ways that we are only beginning to understand. AI is allowing marketers to get to know their customers on a deeper level, target their ads more precisely, and create more personalized experiences. By leveraging AI technology, marketers can better understand customer behavior and preferences, resulting in more effective and efficient marketing campaigns. In this article, we will explore 5 ways AI is transforming the world of marketing and discuss how companies are leveraging AI to create more successful campaigns. From harnessing the power of data to personalizing customer experiences, AI is revolutionizing the way marketers interact with their customers. What is AI and how does it work? Artificial intelligence is the use of computers to simulate human intelligence. AI allows computers to learn without being programmed. AI's broad range of applications make it an essential component to modern marketing strategies. There are multiple types of AI that can be used to power a variety of marketing technologies. These include machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. Machine learning is a type of AI that enables computers to learn without being programmed by analyzing large data sets. Natural language processing is used for language translation, and computer vision is for processing images. Predictive analytics allows marketers to use data to predict future trends and make better informed decisions based on data. AI-powered data analysis. Data is at the core of every marketing campaign, but it is also the most important aspect of AI-powered marketing. AI is great at analyzing large data sets and identifying patterns, trends, and anomalies. By leveraging AI technology, marketers can automate data analysis and gain valuable insights about their customers and products. AI tools allow marketers to search through their data and identify potential customers based on demographics and online behavior. AI can also be used to analyze past marketing campaigns, measure their effectiveness, and identify which campaigns are working best. These insights can help marketers create more targeted campaigns in the future. AI-powered data analysis allows marketers to better understand their customers, resulting in more relevant and personalized experiences. AI-driven customer segmentation. AI can help marketers create highly targeted campaigns that speak to each customer segment and resonate with their target audience. AI-driven customer segmentation allows marketers to identify groups of similar customers and create campaigns that meet their unique needs. This helps marketers create more effective marketing campaigns, drive more sales, and reduce their cost per acquisition. AI allows marketers to analyze data and create customer segments based on demographics, online behavior, and product interest. This allows marketers to create campaigns that are more personalized and speak directly to each segmented group. AI-driven customer segmentation allows marketers to create more relevant and effective campaigns, resulting in more happy customers and fewer resources needed for each campaign. Personalized customer experiences. Marketers have always wanted to create personalized customer experiences, but this has been difficult with traditional tools. AI allows marketers to collect data from their customers and create more personalized experiences. AI can be used to collect data from a customer's website or social media account. Once data has been collected, AI can help marketers analyze and store that data, creating a comprehensive profile of each customer. With this information, marketers can create custom experiences for customers based on their preferences. AI-enabled marketing tools allow marketers to create more personalized content and experiences for customers. Personalized experiences help marketers stand out from the crowd and create more loyal customers. AI is allowing marketers to create more personalized experiences for customers by leveraging data from their websites and social media accounts. Automating marketing operations. Marketing teams are always looking for ways to automate their operations and improve efficiency. AI-driven marketing tools are changing how marketing operations are done by automating manual tasks and enabling marketers to do more with fewer resources. AI allows marketers to streamline their campaigns by identifying best practices and recommending the most effective strategy. AI marketing tools allow marketers to set up campaigns quickly and easily without having to manually set up each campaign. AI-driven marketing tools allow marketers to save time and be more efficient. Marketing operations are becoming more streamlined and efficient thanks to AI marketing tools. AI-driven ad targeting. Advertising is a vital component of any marketing campaign, and AI is helping advertisers create more targeted ads. AI-driven ad targeting allows advertisers to identify their customers and create personalized ads that are relevant to their interests. With AI, advertisers can identify their customers across multiple channels and create ads that are specific to each customer's interests and intent. AI-driven ad targeting allows advertisers to create more targeted ads and reach their customers more effectively across all channels. These targeted ads have higher click-through rates and center, resulting in higher sales and conversions. AI is helping advertisers create more targeted ads and reach out to their customers more effectively across all channels. AI-driven content creation. Marketers spend a lot of time and money creating content, but they often don't get the returns they want. AI is changing the way marketers create content by helping them create more engaging content that resonates with customers. AI-driven content creation allows marketers to gather data from customers and use that information to create more relevant content. AI can be used to analyze the most popular topics and topics that are resonating with customers across different channels. AI can also be used to analyze the content marketers are currently creating and identify areas for improvement. AI-driven content creation allows marketers to create more relevant and engaging content that resonates with customers, resulting in more conversions and ROI for their campaigns. AI-powered customer service. Marketers are always looking for ways to improve their customer experience, but providing great customer service can be challenging. AI can help marketers automate some aspects of their customer service and provide a more personalized experience. AI products allow marketers to collect data from their customers, allowing them to identify common issues and concerns. AI-powered customer service allows marketers to create personalized responses for customers based on their interests and the issues they are facing. AI-powered customer service allows marketers to create more personalized and effective responses for customers, resulting in more satisfied customers. AI-enabled chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly important in modern marketing campaigns. AI-enabled chatbots allow marketers to create more personalized and effective chatbots. AI allows marketers to create more sophisticated chatbots by gathering data from customers. AI allows marketers to better understand their customers and create more personalized chatbots. Chatbots allow marketers to interact with customers without having to respond manually. AI-enabled chatbots allow marketers to create more sophisticated chatbots that are more personalized and effective. Marketers can use AI to power their chatbots, resulting in more personalized and effective chatbots. These chatbots can be used to engage with customers, provide more personalized content, and gather important data about customers. These technology advancements are revolutionizing the marketing sector, making it easier for marketers to reach their customers and engage with them in new and exciting ways.